Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my first official Shop My Stash for the year 2025. And I just want to come on here, show my face, because I want to explain how this year is going to go and what's going to happen and how we're going to pick out products for the upcoming year. So if you want to see how that works, just keep on watching. So in the second portion of this video, you guys are not going to be seeing my face anymore. I'm going to be showing just my hands because I am pre-filming this portion of the video. I do want to show you guys my ideas for this upcoming year. So in the past, you guys know I went from Shop My Stash to Everyday Makeup Drawer, and now we're going back to Shop My Stash. And I think I'm going to stay with Shop My Stash for a while. I really enjoyed the Everyday Makeup Drawer concept, but that was just like, I really wanted to kind of switch on my products and have a little more fun with it. And I want to include you guys in my vision. So I had a couple of cards and I just went ahead and wrote Shop My Stash on all the backs, and on the actual cards I went ahead and put some video ideas on the bottom, different themes for each Shop My Stash. Whatever comes out when I shuffle these is the theme for the upcoming month. So we're gonna see what comes out. So the first one is like TJ Maxx and Marshall's theme. We have Almost Done products. That one got kind of smudged. We have like a blue theme. We have colors in here. We have Chamase, Ali Colors, all of that. Ice Clothes theme, which is one of my faves. We have a black theme. We have the white theme, Dollar Tree theme. We have a gray silver theme. We have pink. We have SHEGLAM. So everything under the sun that I could have thought of, I went ahead and wrote in every single card on here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna shuffle once we get into the pulling, of the products in the next segment, and we're gonna see what the theme is for the upcoming month. So I hope you guys enjoy that concept, and that's pretty much everything that's gonna change. Whatever gets pulled, that's what we're gonna pull out for my collection, and then we're gonna use it for a full month. We're going to come back next month. We're going to talk about the products that I love, the products that I hated, things that I used up, all of that. And then we're going to pull new products for next month. So according with the theme that comes out for that next month. So I hope you guys enjoy that idea, and I hope we have fun with these cards throughout the year. Any thoughts, suggestions, ideas to throw in this game, let me know in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into picking out the products. These are the cards that I showed you guys in the other video. So let's see what... Okay, that was way too fast. I'm gonna go ahead and shuffle them, and we're gonna see what this month brings with all these Shop My Stash options. So let's see what comes out for this month before we start picking. Okay, so this month we're gonna be doing a red rose theme, meaning red products. So random, but that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me in my stash, and we're gonna pick out some red products. Okay, so this is drawer numero uno, which honestly I have to get back in here. Why is this wet? And kind of look through here, but this drawer does not have any reds. The Joker palette, I mean, it has a red on the palette, but let's see if it has it on the inside. Oh, we also have the I Myself Am Strange and Unusual palette. This one has a ton of reds. Okay, this one definitely has potential. Check this one, which I doubt has red. Yeah, no. Okay, so these are the two palettes that I decided to pull. We have this one from the Beetlejuice and Revolution collab, which honestly I don't think I've used this. There's a look at the color story. So cute. And as a second option, we have the City Color Sandia palette. Also has some like red tones in here, so these are gonna be perfect for this month. Yes. So looking in drawer number one, we have some like glitter products. I don't really see any like red in here per se. Oh, what are you doing over here? Okay. Let's see, brow products. There is no red ones. Okay, so with this situation, I'm just going to choose one of my faves, which is the SHEGLAM 2-in-1 brow pencil, as well as my 7th Girls product. So next we have my liner drawer and all this. I know for sure I have a red mascara. Yeah. We have the Super Fan mascara from Smashbox. I'm going to go ahead and pull this. These back. As for like red lip liner, I'm going to take the One Size Lip Snatcher lip liner pencil in the shade Code Word, which is going to be perfect. And I'm going to do one more. Let me see if I have another one. I mean, not red per se. Okay, and then let's do liquid liner. I don't think I have a red liquid liner, to be honest. Yeah, I don't think I've ever like bought a red liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Artista liquid liner in black, and that's pretty much the only liner I'm taking. As for like liquid, I remember I had one. Oh, okay, this one. I dropped it, but this LA Colors Gel Liner in Figgy. It's like a burgundy red, but it's still red. So I'm going to go ahead and take that. More liner. I'll just do LA Colors again, Gel Liner in the shade Midnight Black. So I'll take these three. We have my lip oils, which I already know which one I am going to pull. I'm going to go ahead and take the COCA COLA lip balm that I purchased from from Forever 21, if you guys remember. COCA COLA little like studded lip balm. It's so cute. So we're gonna go ahead and take this. We have my primers, which primer, honestly, I don't think I have anything of the sort. Let me pull it out a little. Oh yes, we have the Powerpuff Girls XX Revolution mattifying primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. Let's do one more since we're here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull two primers. We have the Powerpuff Girl, which is like the red that we need, and I'm just gonna take the Away Studio Filter Free Face Primer to give me a little bit of hydration to the skin. That is it for primers. And next we have foundation, which should be pretty easy. I always go for this L'Oreal foundation, the Infallible Wear. You guys know that's a fave. And then we also have this one, which kind of goes along with it, the MINISTAR 24-hour one. And this is going to go really well with this category just because they're both very similar colors. So perfect. All right, next we have my lipsticks in here, which we actually do have one that's like perfect. Where is it though? Oh, Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce, which is a perfect red tone. So we're going to choose that. And we also have this one from Hot Topic, but I really love this like burgundy red from the ColourPop Haunted Mansion collection. So we're going to go ahead and choose these two for now. As for like lipsticks, I have this like burgundy tone from the Maybelline collection that kind of goes along, kind of looks like similar, what does it look like that, to the Haunted Mansion. So I may just pull these three here. Next we have lip gloss, which is perfect. I know there's one, yes, this one, the Italia Deluxe Fat and Juicy Lip Glow Oil is perfect. Is that it for lip gloss? Do I have more? We also have this lip gloss, the Cosmic Cowgirl lip gloss in, what shade are you? I don't know, it's like super tiny. But I'm going to go ahead and pull this and also the Italia Deluxe little gloss. Definitely fulfill the red fantasy that we're going for. Next we have my cream products. We have my highlights up here, and then we have my bronzers. So I don't have, oh no, wait, no, I do have blush that's like red. I have actually quite a few. We have like these here. I have a purple and a pink. We have this blush from Aini Cosmetics, but the one that I want to pull is this one from Temu. If you guys recall, this challenge would have been perfect for February for Valentine's Day, but here we are doing it in January. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull my Heart Cream Blush. As for highlight and bronzer, I think I'm just going to choose whatever comes to me. I don't know, because there's no red in here, girl. There's no red tones. So for bronzer and highlight, I think I'm just going to go ahead and choose both. Oh, girl, why am I throwing it? For bronzer and highlight, I'm just going to go ahead and pull the Paris Hilton Little Vibe. So I'm going to go ahead and take these three for my cream products. We're going right into setting spray since I don't want to start at the bottom. Let's see. I don't think I have any red like packaged. I think I used to actually. What happened to my Beauty Creation setting spray? I may have given it to my sister. Oh, this one actually has red on the packaging. The One Size Until Dawn waterproof setting spray. We're going to go ahead and use this. Also, I feel like it's almost out, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this setting spray. Next, we have my powder drawer as well as my bronzers. For bronzer, for sure, I'm going to take the One Size product. This is the Bronze and Sculpt Trio, and this one's in Made for Shade. It's with like 3 bronzers in here, which is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this for bronzer. For powder, I don't have a red packaged powder. Go ahead and take my faves Elite Cover little duo that you guys know I just live for. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these two. Next we have my blushes, which to be honest, I just kind of want to stick to the One Size Train since this has red to it as well. And this one comes with a couple blushes, as you guys know. So I just love having like products that kind of go together. So we're gonna go ahead and pull her. And last drawer we have is this one, which is the highlights. Let me see. I don't think I have. Oh, wait, do I? I'm like trying to think. Hold on. We have the Phantom Blood. This is a highlight actually. That one may be perfect. But I want to see. Let's see. I think that may be the only one that I have with red packaging on it. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Yaini Cosmetics highlight in the shade Glow. These are the powder products that we're pulling for this month. My One Size products for sure love, as well as my Elite Cover. All of these are like favorites, so I'm really excited about my powder products, girl, especially the Elite Cover. All of these are so good. Alright guys, so that is everything that I'm going to be taking with me this month and I'll be using throughout the month. So again, this is the way that we're going to be doing my Shop My Stashes for the years to come. So again, this is the red theme. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, have you tried any of these products? Do you love? Do you hate? And we're definitely going to be doing Get Ready With Me soon using a couple of these products. I'm going to be pulling them for like my Get Ready With Me videos and stuff like that. Let me know your thoughts on this like pulling and how it went. I honestly really love the products that we chose and I'm really excited to get in here and use a fun new Shop My Stash vibe. So check out my Shop My Stash playlist, which is going to be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.